Okay, we're going to talk about the master points, and the master points affect anatomical regions of the body. They're used to increase the effect for a problem, for an injury or disease. There are 3 that are located near the carpals of the forelimb, and 3 that are located near the stifle of the hind limb. So Walter has a lot to say about the master points. We're going to start with the first one, pericardium 6. So the best way to find this is find the carpal on the medial side and go too soon up in this crease. Pericardium 6 is a good point for calming, clearing the brain, seizures, asthma, forelimb, and elbow pain. And this is the master point for the chest and abdomen. The next one, lung 7, master point for head and neck. A good way to find it is find the end of the radial bone in this divot here and the radius. And this point is good for issues such as cough, nasal discharge, toothaches, stiff neck, and cervical issues. Large intestine 4, the best way to find that is find the dewclaw. Go up here and you'll see a little divot, and this is large intestine 4. This is the master point for the face and mouth. It's a really good point for a general pain point, any face, mouth issues like dental issues, eye issues, nasal issues. So let's go to the 3 points on the hind limb. So I'm going to start with stomach 36. The best way to find that is find the stifle. Right below the stifle, you'll find the beginning of this tibial muscle. Now, right here in this divot, this is the master point for gastrointestinal, so it's really good for all gastrointestinal issues and also good for stifle issues. The next one, bladder 40, a good way to find it is if you bend the dog's leg, you see that divot right here, straight across from the stifle. Bladder 40 is the master point for the back and hind end. It's really good for any hind limb issues, hip issues, back issues, hind limb issues. And then our last one is spleen 6. So it's right here. If you find this transverse crease right in here, this spleen 6 is the master point for the urogenital system. So it's good for edema, any urogenital issues like UTIs, reproductive issues. And those are the master points. Thank you, Walter.